To amend a tax return using H&R Block, start by gathering all necessary documents, including your original tax return and any new information that needs to be reported. Next, log into your H&R Block account and select the option to amend a return. Choose the tax year you want to amend and follow the prompts to begin the amendment process. H&R Block will guide you through a series of questions to identify the changes you need to make to your return. Be sure to carefully review each question and provide accurate information to ensure your amended return is correct. If you are adding or removing dependents, changing your filing status, or reporting new income, you will need to provide detailed information about these changes. Once you have completed the amendment process, H&R Block will generate a new return that reflects the changes you have made. Review this new return carefully to ensure everything is accurate and complete. If you are due a refund, you can choose to have it direct deposited or mailed to you. If you owe taxes, you can pay online or by mail. It is essential to print and mail the amended return to the IRS, as they will not accept electronic submissions of amended returns. Make sure to keep a copy of your amended return for your records. H&R Block will provide you with instructions on where to mail the return and what forms you need to include. Amending a tax return can be a complex process, but using H&R Block can make it easier and less intimidating. By following these steps and carefully reviewing your amended return, you can ensure that your taxes are accurate and up to date. Remember to always keep accurate records and seek help if you are unsure about any part of the process.